Plenty of parking, lots of room. Here we are at the Riverside RV Park in Laughlin, Nevada. And the Riverside Casino is right across the street. There's a laundry house and showers, restrooms. Don Laughlin's Riverside Casino. Beautiful place. Beautiful casino. So, yeah. There's all kinds of beauty stuff around here. We're going to take a little trip tour. This place has 740 parking spots. There's the one of the restrooms and water. Definitely nice. We got a back end spot, and that was 38 and change for the day, and the friend we're traveling with got a pull through spot, and I believe hers was 44 and some change for a day. So you're coming in, as you come in, just follow the signs to the office. It's not awfully bad. It's definitely a nice little park. We're staying in. And then across the way you also have the Aquarius. So there's RV parked off. This we go around. Now there's some signs out here, no parking. I made a mistake, parked right there. They come out, straighten me right out. You go past the building, they have propane. Propane tank back there. The price is not bad. You have ice machines, water machines. This is the registration office. Good people in there, real nice people too. So we're going to take a walk around, or ride around. This place too big to walk through. And show you some of the spots. Definitely an uphill grind all the way from here. But just ride with me. I got some green grass. They also, on each tier, have a dog walk area that is fenced. And up here, this, I'm not really sure if there's a deal between the tiers or not, but they have some green grass you can walk on and stuff. They have little bus stops, which you can see right here. A little shuttle that comes through here about every 20 minutes and take you over to the casino. I forgot what time the shuttle starts in the morning, but it don't go. It goes to 12 o'clock. The last run is 11:45. And there are some people that have been here for quite a while. And as you can see, some of the spots, they're all, a lot of them are paved, have a concrete base, good and level. You might need to tweak just a little bit to get your sense of being level, you know, where you want to be. But you see anything in here for rigs. Look at this. Got a Mondo condo. Yeah, he's got the right idea now, doesn't he? Go, big guy. Does he haul? Yeah, he does. He's got a fifth wheel on there. So we'll just say, hey, good looking rig. I prefer you didn't wash your trailer in here, but they got somebody that'll come through and wash it for you for a price. I don't know what the price is, but yeah, there it is. I can see a dog walk area on that side. This casino, and there's a way out over here. This is the south side casino there. I can take you up and down each and every one of these. Gee. No boats or trailers. That's because they don't want you to go across their 7-foot curve flat. It looks kind of funny to see it sitting there right in front of a boat. But they have trash receptacles here. You know, of course, everything's hooked up so you can dump. Tier on tier. There's another, it's got these little houses around each tier. This is the restrooms and a shower and a laundromat in there. The one we're near has 3 washers and 3 dryers. Not a bad price. So Everybody's doing a little bit of everything out here. Speed bumps. Good idea. There's trash, and there's another one of them houses. Yeah, I haven't seen a place for them to walk their dogs down here, though. I know we got one up by us because I'm parked right next to it. But, yeah. Yeah, okay. Let's go up one more tier. Well, yeah. And I'll tell you one thing, they are not rig snobs around here, because as you can see, take a look over there, that's a semi-truck. And we'll get a little bit better picture of it later, but yeah, I thought I'd bring that in a little closer. That's somebody's contraption, whatever you want to call it. Tier 4. Now, some of these people, good, some of these people have been here permanently. Ooh, look at this. Oh, that's a fine spot there. Yeah. This looks like a subdivision up here. So, oh, one of them's a cop. That's pretty cool. But, yeah, I guess you know, pay a monthly rate, you can live here. Wow. Alrighty, well, let's go on around here, because this is it's pretty crazy. Watch this. There's a big dog walk area right there now. Got rocks in it and stuff. Please keep it clean. And then you got more spots up there and whatnot. Let's take a ride down here and we'll get another look at that semi-truck. Not the red one we just showed you. This is a different contraption altogether, but hey, I think it looks pretty cool. I would love to see the inside of it. Here's another one of the houses. Green grass. Well, they even got a dog collection piece over there for animal waste. We're driving around. We've been driving around for about 3 or 4 minutes now. We still have not seen all of it. But 'tis what it is. How about you, like, see? I mean, that's an old rig right there, but that's a good looking rig. Let's see. Oh, there he is. And that is definitely interesting. It looks good too. Looks like a gypsy wagon. Wow. That is just something. I can get around the front of it. Let's take a ride around the front. See what we get for pictures. Now, I could cut through, but you know, it's a little bit of respect. We'll just stay on the asphalt. And yeah, I imagine these people are going to be here. Well, they'll cut you a pretty good deal on it right now. I wouldn't swear to it, but you know, $40 a day for a pull-through site. Some of these people look like they've been here all winter, and it's getting warm, so it's getting time to roll off. We'll be here to another day, and then we're gonna be out of here as well. But like I said, they are not they are definitely not unit slobs. The only thing they do not allow is schoolies. They will not have a schoolie in here, and for some reason they just don't like schoolies. But here we go. Pull up a little farther. See if I can get it. That is something, ladies and gentlemen. That is just absolutely something. Dude, if you're watching this video, or if this video comes up, that is an awesome job. Would love to see the inside of it. It's colorful. It's not trashy. It's got a lot. Looks like it's got a lot of growth on it. But no, maybe he likes the Aquaman thing or something. Don't know. Don't know. All right, well, let's go on up a little bit farther, because there's 2 more tiers, and it just keeps getting better. I don't mind that. Stuff flying around the back of the van. Heaven forbid we tie anything down. Yeah, no. Then you got a pretty good little hill right here, which really cracks me up. It's like going up, it's got a speed bump all the way across it. You know, if you want to fly it uphill, but I guess they do. You know, people get a little A little crazy. You get over in the casino and have a few drinks. Shuttles are real nice. They give them they don't mind if you drop them $1 tip because they'll give you a lot of good information. Let's see what we got here. There's one of the shuttles right there. Yeah. It's not a very big area up here, which, you know, on this tier, but there's, you know, like I say, they've got the houses all around, so you can drag off, get your laundry, you can do laundry, get a shower. The showers are really nice. As a matter of fact, when I get done with purchasing, I'll take you over and show you the one we're near. And thank you. Maybe that's what I need. But yeah, we really are enjoying the lifestyle. It's been out. We've been out here about, well, let's see, since October. So it's probably what, 6 months, I guess. Maybe 5, 6 months, and we do enjoy. We've met a lot of nice people. Yeah, there's another police officer's wagon. We've met a lot of people. Met some that you know, they were all right. Wouldn't look forward to crossing paths with them again, but met some that I really would like to cross paths with again. Met gonna do a little name dropping now, but I met the 5-ton Discovery guy. We spent some time together out in the National Forest there in between Sedona and Cottonwood, along with another YouTuber. And there were, I believe there's this Journey to Living. There, Chris and Kim, and then 5-ton Discovery. That's Ray and Catherine. Both those people, both those couples, just totally awesome. If you ever get a chance to run across them, definitely hang with them. They're just a hoot to be around. But this is the tier we're on. Oh yeah, I was holding my hand. Okay. We got people just hanging around. Yeah, just underneath the camper there. Hey, there you go, man. But yeah. Oh, somebody's having a little trouble getting into a spot here. I hope they make it. Pull through. Give them a little room. Some people just get real excited. Whoa, man. Got close to that, but I guess it's all right. Let's see, most of the spots have a concrete pad. Now, where we were down there where the truck was, that did not have concrete pads. That was just dirt lots, so that might be a little cheaper. I don't know. Something you have to call and make reservations on. Yeah, let me go around here and park this thing, and I'll take you over and show you the restroom. It is really nice. Look at the backdrop back here. Look at the mountains. Oh my goodness, they're beautiful. Driving truck, you drive past a lot of this, but you don't get to see a lot of it. You know, you don't get to see there. Well built. Nicely built. Alrighty, well, let me park this thing and then I'll take you over and show you the bathrooms. Here we are. Now, everything's done with a key card, so get these little key cards from them. And this is the laundry room. Got a little folding table down there, 3 washers, 3 dryers. The door on the other end, I imagine that's for supplies and stuff. Very nice. See, register and park guests only. Then you got parker rules. Key cards or something else, but here's the bathroom. This is the men's room. Well, I'm not qualified to show you the ladies' room, but hey, how you doing? You know, and it's got showers. They've got a handicap stall, which is very well set for a handicapped person. You know, showers are very nice. like I say, they're extremely nice facilities. Well, I appreciate you watching. Please give us a like, subscribe, share with your friends, leave us a comment. And thank you very much. We'll look forward to hearing from you again. Bye-bye.